Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tale Crafter English, where stories spark dreams and make English fun. Today, you're not just watching a video. You're stepping into a new chapter of your life. If you listen closely, this could be the moment that changes everything. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to speak English like a pro? Do you dream of talking confidently, making friends, or landing your dream job? If your heart says yes, but fear holds you back, this is your wake-up call. I'm here to share a simple story about a man who learned English and transformed his life. This isn't just a story. It's your guide to greatness. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Once upon a time, in a busy city, there was a man named Sam. Sam was 32 years old. He worked as a delivery driver, lived in a small apartment, and led a quiet life. But Sam wasn't happy. He felt stuck. He had big dreams, but one thing stopped him. He couldn't speak English well. When Sam was a boy, he dreamed of traveling the world. He wanted to visit new places, talk to people from everywhere, and work in a big office. He imagined sharing his ideas and laughing with others. But every time he tried to speak English, he got nervous. My English is terrible, he thought. I sound silly. I'll never be good enough. So he gave up. One day, something happened. Sam was delivering a package to a tall office building. Inside, he saw people in suits talking and laughing in English. One woman was giving a presentation. She spoke clearly, smiled, and looked so confident. Sam watched her. She's amazing, he thought. She's not afraid. Why can't I be like that? That night, Sam sat in his apartment. He couldn't stop thinking about the woman in the office. He looked at his phone, full of English learning apps he never opened. This is not who I want to be, he said. I want to speak English. I want to be confident. I want to live my dreams. That was the moment everything changed. Sam made a promise. Tomorrow, I start learning English. Tomorrow, I start becoming a pro. The next morning, Sam woke up early. He was scared. I'm not good at English, he thought. Where do I even begin? But he remembered the confident woman. She wasn't born speaking English, he said. She learned. I can too. Sam opened an app and learned one phrase. Nice to meet you. Sam practiced every day. He said nice to meet you to his mirror. He said hello to his coworkers. He learned simple words like good, work, and smile. It wasn't easy. Sometimes he mixed up words. Sometimes he felt shy. But he kept going. Small steps every day, he told himself. That's how I'll get better. Sam made learning fun. He watched English cartoons and repeated the words. He listened to slow songs and sang along. He practiced phrases like, I am confident and I can learn. He didn't understand everything, but he felt proud. I'm trying, he said. I'm growing. After a month, Sam noticed something incredible. He could say short sentences. Good job, he said to a coworker. The coworker smiled and said, Thanks. Sam's heart soared. I spoke English, he thought. His friends noticed too. Sam, you're different, they said. You sound stronger. And Sam was stronger. For the first time, he believed in himself. Sam's journey had tough days. Some mornings he didn't want to study. Some days he felt stuck. But Sam remembered his promise. Small steps every day, he told himself. That's how I'll win. He made a rule. Never skip 2 days in a row. If he missed a lesson, he studied the next day. This rule changed everything. Sam found new ways to learn. He joined a free English class at a community center. He practiced with other beginners. They made mistakes, laughed, and helped each other. We're all learning, Sam said. He also started writing. Every night he wrote one sentence. Today, I learned a new word. Today, I spoke English. Writing helped him think in English. One day, Sam delivered a package to the same office building. This time, he saw the confident woman again. She was talking to a group. Sam took a deep breath. "Hello, great presentation," he said. The woman smiled. "Thank you. Your English is good," she said. They talked for a moment. It wasn't perfect, but Sam felt alive. "I'm speaking like a pro," he thought. After 6 months, Sam was a new person. He could talk for a few minutes in English. He understood more cartoons and songs. He even helped customers with simple English. His voice was clear. His smile was big. But the biggest change was his confidence. Sam knew he could do hard things. He knew he could be great. One sunny morning, Sam woke up in his small apartment. He looked out the window at the busy city. He smiled. This is just the beginning, he thought. Sam had a new dream now. He wanted to use his English to build a better life. He wanted to help others, too. Sam applied for a new job at a travel agency. It was a job helping tourists plan trips. He was nervous, but he practiced for the interview. "I can do this," he said. At the interview, he spoke English. He made mistakes, but he kept going. The manager nodded. "You're learning fast," she said. "We like that." Sam got the job. At the travel agency, Sam met people from all over America, England, Australia. He talked about trips, shared ideas, and made them smile. He felt free. He also started a small English study group at work. Every week, he helped his coworkers practice. "You don't need to be perfect," Sam told them. "Just start." One day, a young woman joined the group. Her name was Lisa. She was quiet. "My English is bad," she said. "I can't do this." Sam smiled. "That's what I thought, too," he said. "But you're stronger than you know. Say one word today. I'll help you." Lisa said hello. A year later, Lisa was speaking, laughing, and helping others. "Sam, you changed my life," she said. Sam shook his head. "No, Lisa. You changed your life. I just showed you the way. Now let's talk about you." Yes, you, the person watching this video. Sam's story is not just about him. It's about you, too. You have the same power. You have the same strength. You can speak English like a pro and change your life. But you have to start now. Close your eyes for a second. Picture this. You wake up one morning and you're speaking English. You talk to new people. You get a better job. You travel to amazing places. You share your dreams and people listen. You feel confident, strong, and free. This is not just a dream. This is possible. But it starts with you. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need fancy classes or a lot of money. You just need to start. Say one word today. Hello. Thank you. Watch one English video. Sing one song. Write one sentence. These small steps will grow. They will lead you to a stronger, happier you. What if you mess up? That's okay. Everyone messes up. But don't stop. Try again. Never skip 2 days in a row. Keep practicing, and you'll see results. You'll speak clearer. You'll feel prouder. You'll open new doors. This is your wake-up call. The life you want is waiting. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't say, "I'm not ready." Start today. Work hard. Stay focused. Never give up. The journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it. I believe in you. You are stronger than you think. You are unstoppable. Don't wait. Speak English like a pro and change your life. Go out there and shine. Thank you for watching Tale Crafter English. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone you love. Let's learn English and grow together. See you in the next story.